everyone, I'm Gina, your G.I.A. gemologist, and today I'm really excited because I have the opportunity to look at these vials that my client had purchased online, and he came to me to sell these. But what we're going to do today is we're going to go to the refinery and we're going to talk to the experts to see what is the best way of analyzing these. Now, these don't weigh a lot, so if we were to pay to have these refined, it's going to eat up the profit. My client is told that these are 1.5 grams each. So as you can see, that's about 4.5 grams for these vials, which will be eaten up in those profits. So what we're going to be looking at is we need to know what the purity is. And as you know from my earlier videos, that the gold that is mined, that are these flakes, could be as low as 70-75% pure, that are derived from the earth because of all the minerals that will be added to the flakes of gold. So we don't know what the value is until they are assayed, but we're at a point here because we don't want to pay for the assay, which will mean that he's not going to have any profit. So we'll see what my good friends at the refinery are going to tell us. So stay tuned. I want to show you that what I do is I try to analyze this myself. So I took one of the vials, I opened it up, and you can see it's very sticky, very difficult to take and extract from the plastic tube because the flakes are sticking in it. So that means that I'm not able to weigh this up to verify it's 1.5 grams. I have to guesstimate. So we're going to most likely have to burn this bag, this plastic vial, along with these vials, but we'll see what the expert says. So stay tuned. Alrighty, so we're going to x-ray it, and because that's the best way to tell what this is without refining it. Okay, we can go ahead and close it, and this is going to communicate to the computer program. And we're looking at what this is going to assay to. An exciting time. We never know to show us what the metal will be. Okay, so we're x-raying the gold. It's inside of the machine, and now we are working on. All right, and there's our results. So we're looking at, what do we show on here?
Oh, it's plated.
Oh, it's plated.
Yeah, it's
okay.
No gold.
It's no gold. Fantastic.
85% copper. You got zinc at 13%.
85% copper, and we have zinc. So the gold flakes that somebody bought online that we are assuming is gold, 24 karat, they were told, is actually plated. It is not real. That is a wonderful way of getting the answer.
Exactly.
Thank you so much. And this will help a lot of people that are out there buying these from
I've seen this quite a
online.
bit. I've seen it quite a bit. They just throw it in their mouths.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, thank you so much, and I hope that really helps all of our viewers.